Welcome back to my channel, that is Sonali Mathematics. In this session, we will begin the example and exercise of our arithmetic progression. That is, we will continue with exercise 5.1. First, we will finish the example part and then we will move on to the exercise part. Okay? So, we should enjoy learning maths with fun. Is it? Yes. So, let's start. And one thing would like to tell you, if you really like the video, just share it among your friends so that I can give you more contents in the coming videos. Okay, so the first example is an AP is being given to you. Okay, an AP is given to you and the series of AP is what? 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus half and minus 3 by 2. And here we have to write the first term and we have to find the common difference. Okay, so first term, as I have already told you in my previous session, that first term is what? The first term is denoted by A and the first number, the first part, the first number that is given is your A. So what is the first number? A is your, the first term is your what? 3 by 2. You can also denote the first term as A or you can write it as A1 as per your wish. And we have to find the common difference. So common difference is same. You can either subtract the second term from the first term. You can either subtract the third term from second term or fourth term from the third term. Okay, common difference will be same because the series is in AP. Okay, so I am subtracting the second term, that is A2 minus A1. Okay, so A2 is what? My half. A2 is half. Okay, and A1 is what? A1 is our 3 by 2. So when we will subtract, LCM will be 2 itself and 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. We will cancel the numerator and denominator part. So our answer will be minus 1. A will be 3 by 2 and our D will be minus 1. Okay. Now second example, come to the second example. Okay, in the second example it is asking that which of the following forms an AP, and if they forms an AP we have to write the next two term. So we should check the common difference first. If the common difference is same, then the given series is in AP. Check the common difference. Okay, 10 minus 4 is plus 6. Okay, 16 minus 10 is plus 6. 22 minus 16 is plus 6. So see, common difference is same. That means it is in AP. The first question is in AP. Okay, and we have to write the next two terms. So how can we write the next two terms? We have to simply add plus 6. Okay, so 4, 10, 16, 22. Till here it is given. Just add plus 6 to it. Okay, so 22 plus 6 will be what? 32. Okay, now 32 plus 6 will be what? 38. So this will be your final answer. Okay, the next two term will be 32 and 38. Come to the next part. Okay, we should again check if it is in AP or not. So subtract the second term from first term. So second term is minus 1, first term is minus 1. It will be minus 2. Okay, here it is minus 2. Subtract the third term from the second term. Third term is minus 3 and second term is your minus 1. Okay, so I am subtracting minus 3 and here it will be what? Minus plus. So plus 1 and minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Okay, subtract here fourth term, subtract the fourth term, that is minus 5 from the third term. Okay, so when you will subtract you will get minus 2. Okay, so since common difference is same, so it is also in AP. Okay, it is also in AP. Now we have to write the next two terms after minus 5. Okay, so after minus 5, the series was earlier what? 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Write next two term after minus 5. So what we will do, we will just add the common difference to get the next term. So we will add minus 5 minus 2 will be what? Minus 7, and again minus 2 we are adding, so minus 7 minus 2 will be minus 9. So our next two term is what? Minus 7 and minus 9. Hope it is clear till here. Come to the next question. Okay, now again check the common difference because the question is asking if it is in AP or not. Okay, check the common difference. Subtract the second term from the first term. When you will subtract you will get plus 4. Okay, subtract the third term from the second term. When you will subtract you will get minus 4. Since plus 4 minus 4 does not match, so the series is not in AP. It is not in AP. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, the last example. subtract second term from first term. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now 2 minus 1 1. Since common difference does not match, okay, so this is not in AP. This is not in AP. Now come to the exercise. Okay, come to the exercise. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. Question number A. The question is saying that the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Okay, it is saying that a taxi fare charges you for 1 kilometer. For 1 kilometer it is charging you rupees 15. Okay, for 1 kilometer the taxi fare is charging you rupees 15 and rupees 8 it charges for the additional kilometer. Suppose you are going 2 kilometer. Okay, 2 kilometer you are going, so for 1 kilometer it is rupees 15 only, and for 2 kilometer the additional charges is what, 8. So when you will add, you will get what, 23. Okay, now when we will travel 3 kilometer, okay, so for 2 kilometer it is charging 23, and for that additional 1 kilometer it is charging rupees 8. So what it will be, it will be your 31. Okay, for 4 kilometer what it will be, for till 3 kilometer it is charging rupees 31 and 8 for the additional kilometer. So for 4 kilometer it will be rupees 39. Okay, now the question number 1 is asking that which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression. Okay, so you can see for 1 kilometer it is rupees 15. Okay, for 2 kilometers, so our pattern is what, it is all in rupees. Okay, rupees 15, rupees 23, okay, rupees 31, rupees 39. Okay, and so on. The pattern will continue. When you will calculate for 5 kilometer, what you have to do, you have to simply add 39 plus 8. Okay, so you can easily check the common difference is same. Common difference is same, that is plus 8. Common difference is same is in each term. So this series is in AP. Okay, this series follows AP. This is in AP. Okay, come to the second question. Okay, second question is saying that the amount of air present in a cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, the question is saying that the amount of air present in a cylinder. Okay, so we are supposing we are supposing it that the initial volume in the cylinder, that the initial volume in our cylinder, let it be V. We are assuming the initial volume as V, and the question is saying when the vacuum pump is inserted there, then it removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So this is our first term. Okay, this is our first term. This is our first term of the AP. Initial volume we have supposed it as what, V. Okay, come to the second term. It is saying that it is removing what, it is removing 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So initially it was what, V, and it is removing 1/4 of V, 1/4 of the remaining is V, because it is the initial only. Okay, LCM will be 4 and 4V minus 1V, it will be 3V. So our second term will be 3V. Okay, now come to the third term. Okay, so see, now our volume present in the cylinder is what, 3V by 4. Now it is removing 1/4 of the remaining. So 1/4 of the remaining is what, 3V by 4. When you will calculate, it will be 3V by 4 minus, here you will solve, then 3V by 4 into 4, it will be 16. Okay, it will be 16. When you will take the LCM and solve, LCM will be 16. Here it will be 12V minus 3V, it will be 9V by 16, or you can write it as 3 by 4 whole square into V, because 3 square 9 and 4 square will be what, 16. Okay, so this is our third term. Now it is asking you that is the number, is the series, is the pattern that you are seeing here, does it forms an AP or not? So you can easily check. When you will solve now. When you will find the common difference, just subtract and check. Okay, subtract the second term from first term. So second term is 3V by 4 and our first term is simply V. When you will subtract, your answer will be what, minus V by 4. This is our common difference. Okay, this is our common difference. For the next common difference, again we are checking. Okay, For the next common difference we are checking. Subtract the third term. Our third term is what? 9 by 16v, and our second term is what? 3 by 4v. When you will solve it, LCM will be 16 itself, okay, and here it will be 9v minus it will be 12v. So 9v minus 12v, your answer will be minus 3v by 16, okay. So since D does not match, D is not same, so this is not in AP. Second question is not in AP, okay, it is not in AP. Hope you have understood till here. Come to the next question, okay. The question is saying that cost of digging a well after each meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter, okay. So for 1 meter dig, you are digging, suppose you are digging a ground. So for 1 meter dig, okay, for 1 meter dig you are digging a ground. So for 1 meter dig it is charging you what? Rupees, it is charging you rupees 150, okay. When you will dig 2 meter, that 50 rupees will be charged extra, okay, 50 rupees will be charged extra for that subsequent meter, okay. So 150 for 1 meter and 50 extra for that 1 meter that we have added, okay. So for 2 meter it will charge you rupees 200, okay. For 3 meter, when you will calculate, for 2 meter it is charging you rupees 200 and for that extra 1 meter it is charging you rupees 50. So what it will be? It will be rupees 250, okay. So for 4 meter, okay, for 4 meter till 3 meter it is charging you rupees 250 and 50 extra for that additional subsequent meter, okay. So it will charge you what? Rupees 300. So you can easily check the pattern forms an AP. The pattern forms an AP and the common difference is what? 50. So this question number 3 is in AP, okay. Come to the fourth question, okay. Come to the fourth question. It is based on the compound interest. Compound interest you have studied in class 8th, okay. So see, it is just saying you that the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum, okay. So see, the formula for finding the amount is what? Formula for finding the amount is principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n, okay, where A is your amount, P is your principal, R is your rate percent, that interest that is being charged annually, okay, and N is the number of year, N is the time, okay, N is the time, that the number of time, okay, for the number of years that you have taken that particular money as a loan, okay. So see, so for the first year your amount will be what? Principal is what? 10,000, principal is 10,000 into 1 plus r. R is what? R is 8, okay, by 100. For the first year, n value will be what? N value will be 1. Amount in the second year, it will be what? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 to the power. Since for the second year we are calculating, so power would be what? N, 2, okay. Power of n would be 2. For the third year, it will be what? Principal, that is 10,000, principal is same, okay, principal is same, into 1 plus r upon 100. R is your 8 and n value here will be 3 because we are calculating for the third year, okay. So you can easily check when you will subtract, the common difference will not be same. It will be a lengthy calculation, okay, it will be a lengthy calculation. You can here only assume that common difference will not be same. So this is not in AP, this is not in AP, okay. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that you have to write the first 4 term of an AP and your first term is given and your common difference is given. You have to write the next 4 term, okay. So your first term is what? 10. You have to write the next 4 term, okay, next 4 term. So common difference is what? 10. Just add 10. 10 plus 10, 20, okay. 20 plus 10, it would be 30. 30 plus 10, it would be 40, and 40 plus 10, it would be 50, okay. Hope it is clear, okay. Now next question, okay. Your first term is minus 2 and you have to find the next 4 term, okay, next 4 term. So just add D. D is what? 0. So by adding 0 in addition or subtraction, it does not have any effect, okay. 0 does not have any effect on either on addition or subtraction, okay. So minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. Again add, simply add 0, okay. So minus 2 plus 0, again it will be minus 2. Just add 0, again it will be minus 2. Just add 0, again it will be minus 2, okay. So the next 4 term will be same to the first term, okay. Come to the next question. Okay, a is your 4 and you have to find the next 4 term. Okay, next 4 term. So simply add your d. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Okay, 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Again add minus 3. Okay, so 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, again add minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Again just add minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 is your minus 8. So the next 4 terms after 4 is your plus 1, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 8. Okay. Next question, question number 4. A is your minus 1, okay, and D is your half, and we have to find the next 4 term. Okay, next 4 term. So just add half to it. I am doing the rough work here. Okay. See, minus 1 plus half. When you will add, it will be minus half. Okay, so minus half. Again add plus 1 by 2. When you will add, minus half plus half will give you 0. Okay, again add plus half. So 0 plus 1 by 2 will be plus 1 by 2 itself. Again add plus 1 by 2. Okay, so when you will add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, the answer will be 1. So next 4 term will be what? Minus half, 0, half and 1. Hope till here it is clear. If you are enjoying the session and really liking it, kindly share it with your friends so that they may also get some idea about this AP concept. Come to the last question of question number 2. Okay, A is your minus 1.25. Okay, you have to write the next 4 term. Okay, next 4 terms. Okay, D is your what? Minus 0.25. Just add minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. When you will add, what you will get? You will get minus 1.5. You will get minus 1.5. Again add minus 0.25. Okay, when you will add minus 1.5 to minus 0.25, what you will get? You will get minus 1.75. Okay, minus 1.75. Again add minus 0.25. When you will add minus 0.25 to minus 1.75, what you will get? You will get, just add and check. Okay, you will get minus 2. Okay, you will get minus 2. Again add minus 0.25 to minus 2, you will get minus 2.25. So the next 4 terms after minus 1.25 will be minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus 2 and minus 2.25. Okay, come to the third question. Okay, third question, question number A. It is asking for the following AP. Write the first term and the common difference. So first term you can easily check. First term is what? 3, and common difference is subtract the second term from first term. So 1 minus 3, common difference will be what? Minus 2. Okay. Question number B of question 3. Okay. The first term will be what? Minus 5, and for common difference it will be what? Subtract the second term from the first term. So minus 1 minus of minus 5. Okay. When you will subtract, it will be what? It will be 4. Your common difference will be 4. Okay. Next question. Okay, your first term will be what? First term is given, check, 1 by 3, and common difference, just subtract the second term, that is 5 by 3, from the first term, 1 by 3. Okay, it will be 4 by 3, your common difference. Okay, come to the fourth question. Okay, your first term is what? 0.6, and your common difference will be what? 1.7 minus 0.6. When you will subtract, you will get 1.1. Okay, A will be 0.6 and D will be 1.1. Okay, hope it is clear till here. Come to question number 4. Okay, come to question number 4. Okay, it is saying that which of the following series are in AP, and if it is in AP, you have to find the common difference D, and you have to write 3 more terms after that. Okay, so let us check. Okay, so just check the common difference. 4 minus 2 is what? Plus 2. Okay, 8 minus 4 is what? Plus 4. See, common difference is not same. That means it is not in AP. It is not in AP. Okay, check common difference, check. Okay, I am doing the rough work here. Okay, second term 5 by 2 minus the first term. Okay, when you will subtract it, it will be half. Okay, plus half. Okay, subtract the third term from the second term. When you will subtract, it will be what? Plus half. It will be plus half. Okay, subtract the fourth term, that is your 7 by 2, from your third term. Okay, when you will subtract, it will be what? Plus half. Okay, it will be plus half. So since your common difference is same, so you have to write the next three terms after it. So I am doing the rough work here. Okay, I am doing the rough work here. I am solving question number 4. Okay, question number 4 B. Okay, so 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2 it was given. Okay, and we have checked it. When we have find that common difference, our common difference was what? Our common difference was plus half. And what we have to do, we have to find the next three terms after 7 by 2. So just add. Okay, 7 by 2 plus half. Okay, for the next two terms. Okay, when you will add, what you will get, LCM will be 2 itself. Okay, here it will be 8, so it will be 4. Okay, 4 will be the first term after 7 by 2. Okay, so after here it will be 4. Okay, now 4 plus half. Okay, when you will add, you will get 9 by 2. Okay, you will get 9 by 2. Okay, now in 9 by 2 you have to add 1 by 2. When you will add, you will get 5. Okay, you will get 5. Okay, so the next three terms after 7 by 2 will be 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Okay, hope it is clear. Now come to question number 3. Okay, just check the common difference and see if it is in AP or not. Okay, check the common difference. When you will subtract minus 3.2, okay, from second term from the first term, when you will subtract, what you will get, minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Okay, minus 3.2 plus 1.2 you will get. Okay, so when you will subtract, what you will get, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 you will get. Okay, now subtract the third term from the second term. So when you will subtract, the third term is minus 5.2 and your second term is what? Minus 3.2. When you will subtract, what you will get, you will again get minus 2. Okay, you will again get minus 2. Now again check the fourth term, subtract the fourth term from the third term. Okay, when you will subtract it again, what you will get, again you will get minus 2. Okay, so since our common difference is same, so what you have to do, you have to find the next three terms after 7.2. Okay, 7.2. So I am doing that solving part here. Okay, because space was not there. Okay, so question number 4, I am solving that C number. Okay, that C number. Series was minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. Okay, you have to find the next three terms after minus 7.2. Okay, so our common difference was what? Minus 2. So simply what you have to do, you have to add minus 2. To get the next term after minus 7.2. So when you will add, you will get what? Minus 9.2. Okay, minus 9.2. Again add minus 2 to minus 9.2. When you will add, you will get minus 11.2. Again add minus 2. When you will add, you will get minus 13.2. Okay, minus 13.2. So the next three terms after your minus 7.2 will be minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. Okay. Come to question number D of question number 4. Okay, just subtract second term from the first term. When you will subtract, you will get plus 4. Okay, subtract the third term from the second term, you will get again 4. Subtract the fourth term from the third term, again you will get 4. Okay, so since the common difference is same, so the next terms, again I am writing this series minus 10 since it is in AP. Okay, it is in AP, so you have to find previous question was also in AP. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the next three terms after what? 2. Okay, after 2 you have to write the next three terms. Okay, you have to write the next three terms. So just simply add plus 4. So 2 plus 4 will be plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 4 will be plus 10. Okay, and 10 plus 4 will be plus 14. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, now come to question number E. Okay, just subtract the second term from the first term. Okay, when you will subtract, I am doing the rough work here. Okay, when you will subtract 3 plus root 2 from the first term, okay, you will get plus root 2. Okay, again subtract the third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 from the first term. Okay, from the third term from the second term. Okay, when you will subtract, what you will get, again you will get plus root 2. Okay, subtract the fourth term. Okay, subtract the fourth term, that is your 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of, I'm subtracting the fourth term from the second term. Again you will get root 2. So since your common difference is same, every time it is root 2, so this series is in AP. It is based on irrational number. Okay, irrational number you have studied in class 9th. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the next three terms. Okay, after what, 3 plus 3 root 2. So again I am writing the series, that the question part I am writing. Okay, 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the next, you have to write the next three terms. Okay, write the next three terms. So what you have to do, simply add root 2. Okay, when you will add 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, what you will get, 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay, again you have to write root 2, you have to add root 2 to 3 plus 4 root 2. So when you will add, you will get 3 plus 5 root 2. Again you have to add root 2. Okay, root 2 you have to add in 3 plus 5 root 2. When you will add, you will get 3 plus 6 root 2. So this will be your answer. Okay, next question. Okay, just subtract and check if it is in AP or not. So subtract 0.22 minus 0.2. When you will subtract, what you will get, you will get 0.02. Okay, when you will subtract the third term, okay, when you will subtract the third term is 0.222 minus 0.22. okay, when you will subtract, you will get 0.002. so since your common difference does not match, D does not match, so this series is not in AP. This is not in AP. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, just check if it is in AP or not. Subtract the second term from the first term. When you will subtract, you will get minus 4. Again when you will subtract, you will get minus 4. Again you will subtract, you will get minus 4. So since D is same, you have to find the next three terms after this minus 12. Okay, because the series is in AP. So just add minus 4, what you will get, minus 16. Again add minus 4, what you will get, minus 20. Again add minus 4, what you will get, minus 24. Okay, hope it is clear. Next question. Okay, just subtract the second term from first term. When you will subtract, you will get 0. Okay, again when you will subtract, you will get 0. Again when you will subtract the fourth term from third term, you will get 0. You have to find the next three terms. So since 0 does not have any effect either on addition or subtraction, so answer will be same. The next three terms will be same, minus half and minus half. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, see the common difference. Common difference here 2, here common difference will be 6. Since D does not match, okay, so this is not in AP. Okay, next question is of polynomial based. Okay, subtract second term from first term. It will be A, again A, again A. So the next three terms after 4A will be what? Simply add A. Simply add what? A. Simply add A. Okay, so 4A plus A, 4A plus A will be 5A, 5A plus A will be 6A, and 6A plus A will be what? Your 7A. Okay, hope it is clear till here. Now this question, you can easily see it. This is power based question. A square, A cube, A to the power 4. Since it is unknown variable, you cannot either predict it is in AP or not. So this series, you cannot subtract the different power. You cannot subtract A square from A. You cannot subtract A cube from A square. So this series, this polynomial based series is not in AP. Okay, this is not in AP. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, it is saying it is irrational. It is irrational number. Okay, based on the concept of root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, when you will break root 8, it will give you 2 root 2. Okay, when you will break root 18, you will get 3 root 2. Okay, and when you will break root 32, you will get 4 root 2. Okay, you will get 4 root 2. I have just simplified this question part. Okay, so when you will subtract 2 root 2 from root 2, you will get root 2 as your common difference. When you will subtract 3 root 2 from 2 root 2, you will get root 2. When you will subtract 4 root 2 from 3 root 2, you will get root 2. Okay, so you can easily check that common difference is same. Common difference part is same. So you have to find the next three terms. Okay, I am doing at the back. Okay, at the back I am doing. Okay, root 2 was your common difference. Okay, so the question was what? Question was question number, it was root 2, root 8, okay, root 18 and root 32. Okay, when you will solve it, it will be root 2, it will be 2 root 2, it will be 3 root 2, and it will be 4 root 2. Okay, let me check. Okay, yes, 4 root 2. And common difference was what? Common difference was what? Root 2. Okay, so just add root 2 to get the next three term. Just add root 2. Okay, just add root 2. Okay, so when you will add root 2, what you will get? 4 root 2 plus root 2, you will get 5 root 2. When you will add root 2 to 5 root 2, you will get 6 root 2. When you will add 6 root 2 to 2 root 2, when you will add 6 root 2 plus root 2, you will get 7 root 2. So your answer will be 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. Hope it is clear. Okay, come to the next question. Again, it is based on irrational concept. Let us first simplify. Root 3, you cannot break it. You have to write it as root 3 only. Root 6, again root 6. Root 9 can be written as 3. And root 12, you can write it as 2 root 3. Okay, so you cannot subtract. Since it is an irrational number, when you will simplify it, it will have decimal part. So you can easily check that common difference will not be same. So common difference will not be same. That means this is not in AP. Okay, this is not in AP. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, the next question is a power based series. 1 square is 1. First simplify the series. 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Just check the common difference. 9 minus 1 8, 25 minus 9 16. Since common difference is not same, so it is not in AP. Does not follow AP series. Okay, come to the last question of exercise 5.1. Okay, 1 square will be 1, 5 square 25, 7 square 49 and 73. Okay, and so on. Okay, just check 24. Okay, just check the common difference. Okay, just subtract what you will get. 24. Okay, just subtract what you will get. Again you will get yes, 24 you will get. Okay, so you have to find the next three terms. You have to find the next three terms. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just add 24. You have to just add 24. Okay, so 73 plus 24, when you will add, what you will get? You will get add what you will get 73 plus 24. Just add and see. Okay, just add and see. When you will add yes, when you will add 73 to 24, you will get 97. When you will add 97 to 24, what you will get? You will get 121. Okay, when you will add 121 to 24, what you will get? You will get 145. Okay, so hope it is clear till here. Okay, so we have finished exercise 5.1. Okay, so thank you for watching the session.